Hey, Fix and Cruise family! Ever wondered why your car sometimes feels sluggish, lacking its usual punch, especially when you hit the gas? You might be experiencing weak torque, and often the culprit is a small but mighty component called the VVT Solenoid. Today, we're diving deep into the variable valve timing VVT Solenoid, an essential part of modern engines. This little sensor, when dirty or malfunctioning, can significantly impact your engine's power, fuel efficiency, and overall smoothness. We're about to see firsthand what happens when this crucial part gets gunked up and how it can be cleaned. Let's roll the footage and watch a VVT solenoid being serviced. Then we'll break down exactly what we're seeing and why it matters. Take a watch. Wow, that's a perfect illustration of a VVT solenoid in dire need of attention. As you saw, the component was pulled directly from the engine, and the amount of thick, dark sludge coating it was quite significant. This visual alone tells a story of oil contamination and neglect. The video then shows the meticulous process of cleaning the solenoid with what appears to be a carburetor or brake cleaner. Notice how the spray works to break down and wash away that heavy carbon and oil buildup. Once it's clean, you can clearly see the intricate piston and small oil passages within the solenoid, which were completely obscured before. These tiny passages are critical for controlling the oil flow that ultimately adjusts your engine's valve timing. Why is this cleaning so important? The VVT solenoid's job is to precisely manage the flow of engine oil to the camshaft phasers. These phasers then rotate the camshafts, advancing or retarding valve timing based on engine speed and load. When the solenoid is clogged, as it was in the video, it can't regulate this oil flow effectively. This means the engine's valves might not open and close at the optimal times, leading to inefficient combustion, reduced horsepower, and, most noticeably, that annoying weak torque you feel when accelerating. The engine effectively can't breathe properly. The amount of sludge we saw also highlights a critical point: the health of your engine's oil. This level of contamination is often a direct result of infrequent oil changes or using an incorrect or low-quality oil that doesn't provide adequate cleaning and lubrication. Maintaining a clean engine oil system is paramount for the VVT system to function correctly. Now, for my critical take. While cleaning a VVT solenoid, as shown, can definitely restore its function temporarily, it's vital to address the root cause. A heavily sludged solenoid isn't just a dirty part, it's a symptom. If your engine has that much sludge, it indicates a broader problem with oil maintenance, possibly even other internal engine issues. Simply cleaning and reinstalling it might offer a short-term fix, but without rectifying the underlying cause, like consistent, proper oil changes, you're likely to face the same issue again down the road. For long-term reliability, especially if the solenoid was severely clogged, replacement might be a more durable solution, coupled with a thorough engine flush and a commitment to your car's maintenance schedule. So, Why is this tiny VVT solenoid so incredibly important for your car? Let me give you 5 key reasons. Optimized engine performance. The VVT solenoid allows your engine to adjust valve timing dynamically. This means your engine can produce optimal power and torque across a wide range of RPMs, giving you strong acceleration and responsiveness. Improved fuel efficiency. By precisely controlling valve overlap, the VVT system ensures that the fuel-air mixture is burned more efficiently. This reduces fuel waste, leading to better gas mileage and saving you money at the pump. Reduced emissions. More efficient combustion also translates to fewer harmful exhaust emissions. A properly functioning VVT solenoid helps your vehicle meet strict environmental standards, contributing to cleaner air. Smooth idling and operation. Correct valve timing contributes significantly to stable engine operation. It helps prevent rough idling, engine stumble, or hesitation, ensuring a smooth and predictable driving experience, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Engine longevity. By ensuring the engine operates under optimal conditions and preventing issues like pre-ignition or excessive carbon buildup due to poor combustion, a healthy VVT system helps reduce wear and tear on other critical engine components, potentially extending the overall lifespan of your engine. So, as you can see, the VVT solenoid is far more than just another part. It's a key player in your engine's sophisticated dance of power, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. If your car is feeling underpowered, remember to consider your VVT system and always prioritize regular quality oil changes. They are your first line of defense against these kinds of issues. Thanks for cruising with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fix and Cruise for more automotive insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Keep those engines clean, keep cruising, and we'll see you next time.